We are here in Pennsauken at the Pennsauken Logistics Company. We are conditioning the warehouse with 25-ton rooftop units. We have 17 units to install, and we are doing that lift with a helicopter. The helicopter is being used in lieu of a crane to make the reach that is necessary to get these units installed.
The helicopter likes a little bit of wind, so with the wind that we had off the nose, that's why you didn't see me flying nose first to the units. I was just flying them sideways. I keep the nose into the wind. Helicopter likes about 12 to 15, that's about what we had today.